Putting in a litter box area. The top of our stairway, it's actually a split level. So in between the splits, we just now cut a hole for it in the wall. Cool. Side of the wall is our well system, and we're going to build the litter box area over top of it so that you can still get out to the mechanics and all that stuff. We have a hole. Interior framing for the cat litter box enclosure. Don't want it to fall apart on you. Looks sturdy. My husband always makes everything sturdy. He has obviously some more framing to do. Framing is complete. Comes into the house. We have a filter and a little unit. Here comes one cat checking out the area. Where the little poop station's gonna be. What are they doing at the new poop station? Ooh. Ooh, it's interesting. Anything new? Ooh. You can see where we've put in the platform. Matches the existing subfloor. My husband stained some Luan board, and this is going to be used for the sides and the top of the box. It was pre-cut so that when we take the saw to it, it won't split. Now it has a back in it. We did insulate this one side because it was on concrete block. Walking upstairs from the basement, here's the front door. And this could be a shoe holder. We always have shoes around the door with very little space. The short-term goal is to use this as a litter box holder. We have another entry that we use more often. We're thinking of possibly putting in sliding doors or a little curtain or something here. My husband did a really nice job on the trim. That's it.